This video is meant for educational purposes only and does not discriminate against any community. But okubaluleke nakho konke is that mina angiphukile. Le video icelwe abaphukileyo. Mina angiphukile ngi-straight njengesidudla siye ekhishini. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what is u-LGBTQ? It is an acronym representing diverse sexual orientation and gender identities. And then lo plus osekugcineni uhlanganisa wonke ama-identities that are not mentioned in the first 5 letters. Mina nawe let's break down wonke lama letters khona so understanda kahle ngoba maningi ayaconfuse and labantu kumele sibazi kahle yabo ngeimendlela zabo ngamaligi abo asiqale. Number 1, we have a lesbian, a woman who is emotionally, romantically, or sexually attracted to other women. And then number 2, we have a gay, a person, typically a male, a man who is attracted to other people of the same gender. Number 3, we have bisexual, a person attracted to more than one gender. Ubuyathanda abafana, abuyathanda amantombazane. Number 4, we have transgender, a person whose gender identity differs from le they were assigned at birth. Yena uma he was assigned as a male, uvela afuna ukushintsha abe female. Uma he was assigned as a female, afuna ukushintsha abe male. Iqala lana kuba confusing so ungalahleki sinamakhwe. Amakhwe yilaba abathi bona bama non heterosexually and futhi bama non cisgender identities. Amakhwe lawo bese siba nama-questioning. Ama-questioning yilaba abathi bona they are still exploring their sexual orientation, abakazazi whether babafana or bamantombazane. Ingakho sibabiza ngama-questioning. Yabona-ke manje mawukuthi unothunyana efrijini donsa uthunyana wakho shaye, mawukuthi unento egoqwayo iphafuze goqa uphafuze, mawukuthi unebhayibheli sondeza ibhayibheli eduze ngoba it's about to get complicated. Yabona-ke la ila khona kudingakala inhlonipho khona umuntu umbize ngama-degree yakhe, umbize ngey'mendlela zakhe. Ekuqaleni sinama-asexual. Okwesibili sinama-pansexual. Zihlukile lezi zinto lezi zo-2. And then mase siba nama-inter